Hi, good morning to everyone. Hi, classmates. So here we have here guide to connect MySQL to FastAPI. So now we're going to demonstrate how to connect MySQL to FastAPI using this guide. So first thing first, we're going to create data inside in the MySQL. So we're going to create database name. So we have here that is our user in the MySQL, the password here, there. Database name, student, and table users. So fields, ID number, name, then gender. Data here, gender, name, gender. So we're now going to open our terminal. So MySQL minus u root minus password. Okay, so here show databases. So here we don't have database for my of the students. So here we're going to create database right there. So you just need to follow this guide right there. So we created database, show database to see if the database that we create is there. Create database. Okay, so here it's already here. So next we'll be going to use the student. We're going to inside in that database. Okay, so show tables. We will see if there is tables. So it's empty. So now you're going to create tables here. So here, then paste it here. Anyway, I memorized it already, but to make sure I'm on your level, so at least I can show you how to make these things work just doing copy paste. So here show tables if the tables is already there, so you can see there. So we are now going to insert. As you can see, tables are there, so insert now the data right there. So here query okay, so we inserted two records. Then we're now going to select all here, this one, select all from all users, select all from users right there. So here exactly what you can see here. So here it is. So we have now a data from our MySQL right there. So next will be the step 2, create and code the fast API. So here we need to create folder for your project. So yes, we're going to create a folder for our project. So in my case, I'm going to go here inside in my documents. Then where's that? I need to find out right here. Then it will be named as MySQL Fast API 2 right there. MySQL Fast API. So in my case, I need to make it 3. So here we have now folder there. We have now folder like that. Then open the VS Code, open the folder. So here is code. Then we're going to open the folder. File, open, folder. Mhm. Right here. So since we open it already, you can see it here. There's nothing inside. So since it's empty, so we're going to close this welcome. So you can see it's nothing inside. Then next will be going to create main.py. So here, create main.py, main.py. All right, so here we already created the main.py. Then what's next is inside in the main.py, paste the code. Okay, so we're going to copy paste this simple code here, right there. All right, so here, copy, then paste it here. So after you're going to paste, just don't forget to save. Okay, so it's already saved. Then what next? Mhm. So okay, so we're going now to run the fast API. Here, step 3, run the fast API. So we're going to open new terminal right here. Terminal, new terminal. There. So we will adjust it. See. Then what next? We have a terminal. So we will now start using the terminal, install the fast API environment. So here, if you are Windows, you are going to use this code here. But if you are Mac users like mine, will use this. So Windows, then this one is for Mac. Okay. So here, we're going now to paste it here, right there. So how do we know that it is already installed? So we will wait for maybe 1 minute. Then you can see here in the upper left, there is a folder VENV. If you're going to click this, this is what inside, but just hide it. Okay, you can see it here. That is the file that created using this code. Okay, so now let's proceed. What next? So next will be we need to activate the fast API. All right. So to activate fast API, copy, then paste it here. So here we're going to make sure that there is a VNV here. So next, make sure you see that VNV. Yes, we are seeing that VNV. Then install fast API dependencies. So here, this is, you can use this or this one. Okay, this is two dependencies of the fast API. It's just installing server. So yes, it will take a minute. So just need to keep on waiting, then it's done here. Then what next will be, we're going to install FastAPI to MySQL connector. So it will be the connector of our MySQL and the Plus API. So here, paste it here. Then wait and wait. All right. So almost there. So it's so funny while waiting. It's so funny because you can see here, install FastAPI SQL Alchemy. Wow, Alchemy. So 11 over 13. So okay. So here it is. So it's done. So what next? We are done installing MySQL connector. So we're going now to run the source. So we're going now to make the server run right there. Yes, then one more to go. This will be the last one. Paste it here. Okay, so Koala, you can see here the server is running. It's give already the IP address here. This is the IP address of the server that Python created. Then what next? So it will be give instructions here that fast API is now running. So you can see it there. It's running. So see that this is the IP address that gave. You need to copy paste inside in the browser. So here it is displaying IP address of the browser. So here we have two browser. So here we have the Opera. This is Opera browser. Then the other one here will be the Firefox. So we were going to open both. So now we're going to copy this one. Copy this there. Or you can just click this follow link there. So you can see it is working. So if you're going to copy this into the Firefox, there it's just the same thing. This one displayed JSON raw data like that. So at least you can see here the data that we created lately. So here Pikachu female, then GC bits male. So here we will try to see the tables here. So here only the data you can see. Same thing with here, the our tables there. So did you see that? So we are done successfully creating our fast API here. Same with here. So successfully display the data from MySQL to fast API. So it's so easy to create fast API. So it's just as simple as that. Hope you like it. Cheers.